Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So I'm just about to take you on a short walk round tour of a new model arrived to us today. That is the Sprite Super Quattro FB 2021 model. So real key feature changes for 2021 are the introduction of the Rally Zen wood grain in the front of the caravan in the wood lockers, panoramic sunroof, and also diamond pack now being standard on every single Sprite caravan. So here is a good look at that 2021 model. So a fantastically well spec'd twin axle 6-berth family caravan. A generous sized front locker box there for two 6kg gas bottles and other various amenities that you may need in your caravan, but making sure that you're keeping it nice and light in there just to be conscious of the nose weight. As we come down the side, they've retained this wonderful chrome Sprite logo and the Super Quattro FB logo in this particular model. You've got a rear access hatch to underneath that fixed French bed. So stepping inside the caravan, the fabric scheme from last year has been retained and carried through, which you see here, that wonderful tartan and two-tone fabric scheme that you see throughout the caravan. And here is your first look at the Rally Zen wood grain in the front of the caravan. Coming across to, as I mentioned earlier, that standard panoramic sunroof, and further look at that wonderful wood grain, which I believe really shines off and offsets fantastically well to match the rest of the caravan. You've got a privacy curtain coming around this nice large double-side dinette that also converts into a double bed. A generous sized Hecky light in the lounge area, creating further light and further creation of space. You've got a nice large chest with short pull-out table, television point and USB ports to pop on top there. In this particular model, you've got the Truma blown air heating system, the Swift Command with the built-in mobile capability and connectivity via the Swift Command app, also with the built-in tracker and digital DAB radio. In the kitchen area, we've got the easy usable height microwave, stainless steel sink carried through from 2020, and nice large Dometic under-counter fridge. Plenty of further storage in this kitchen area, retaining the white locker finish in the kitchen. 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric in a combination oven and grill with pan storage underneath. Generous sized French bed fixed to the back right hand side of this caravan. You've got a vanity mirror on the wardrobe and a nice large wardrobe with some infill cushions for that double bed and also hanging rail. Opposite that one, you've also got a further hanging rail wardrobe with your Vision Plus multi-directional aerial and freestanding table for the front of the caravan with further storage underneath. Generous amount of storage also underneath this fixed bed. So easy liftable on gas struts, and that's where you see located your spare wheel, and in this particular one, the full set of carpets. Stepping through to a very generous sized bathroom area. So nice large individual shower cubicle. Standard Thetford toilet with a couple of shelves to put various amenities on. High quality of finish on the sink with storage underneath, and a small vanity mirror also in the bathroom. So that gives you a real good feel and a good understanding for what this Sprite Super Quattro FB 2021 has to offer. I hope you've enjoyed the walk round tour. If you have any queries or questions, please feel free to contact us. We're more than happy to help you, and I hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.